Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Farahin Izzati binti Jamal Khair. My ID number is BDB 1806155. I'm for class DBS 6C, Banking and Insurance, FIN 3583, Chapter 6, Risks and Risk Management. Okay, today I will be presenting about hazards occurred at home, which is at my home. The task given is identify at least hazards at my home. First of all, I will start with introduction about hazard. Introduction of hazard. In our daily life, there are circumstances. Often there comes a situation where we are exposed to perils, which is fire, collision, flood, sickness, premature death, that cause loss property or lost life, that lead to financial loss. Risk is the outcome of an action taken or not taken, situation which may result in loss or gain. It is termed as a chance or loss or exposure to danger, arising out of internal or external factors that can minimize through preventive measure. Next, a hazard is any source of potential damage, harm, or adverse health effects on something or someone. Okay, for harm, physical injury or damage to health. And for hazard, a potential source of harm to a person. Okay, first, the picture shows first hazard, which is stairs, tangga. The pointy edge of fall hazards. The consequences is bleed. We can bleeding if we fall, and we will get bruise. We also might get headache and broken leg or arm, and faint, because when we fall, actually it will affects our head. Risk control tool. Usually, adults will install safety gates to avoid children by getting injured from playing at the stairs. So actually, it is really need to encourage adults to install safety gates if they have younger or baby at home. Okay, next, make sure steps are solid and well maintained. Make sure the stair is not broken, so nobody will get hurt. Okay, second picture, stove. It's heavy, hot, and burning. The consequences is it might have a high explosive, and we will get burn wound, fire, and might cause death. The risk control tool. Clean up after use the stove. Second, face invert the paint handles so that children could not accidentally reach or grab them. If after we finish cook, we may have a little oil or something on the pan, on the stove, that might actually hurt them. Okay, next, knife and scissors at kitchen, which is sharp object, and as you guys can see, it is near the edge of the table that children can grab it, take it. Okay, hazards are in unsafe condition. It may cause injury or death. Okay, consequences is bleeding, wound, and cuts. Risk control tool. Keep the kitchen knife and scissor away from the eye of children by keep it in the lock drawers. You have to put it after you use it and lock it. Okay, next, always store the knife with shields to cover the blades. Okay, the fourth picture is iron. As you guys know, it's heavy and there will be injuries caused by heat itself, like fire and electricity. And the consequences is skin damage, burns. Control the temperature when it gets too hot. After you use the iron, and you might notice that it's getting hotter, so you have to control it. Next point is place the iron at the place that children could not reach it. After you use it, you have to keep it maybe at the top high places that they can't grab it. Okay, next is air conditioner. It is associated with chronic rhinitis and pharyngitis, throat irritation, and hoarseness. Okay, it is health hazards. Okay, the consequences is it can dry our skin and may cause eye conditions such as conjunctivitis, and we might have difficulty to breathe. Okay, next is a risk control tool for the air conditioner. Do not always turn it on. When you can use it. Okay, and always service the air conditioning, because it might broken inside that we actually could not see it, so we have to call them and to service our air conditioner. Next is drink water regularly in daily life to avoid any dryness. Actually, it is not about air conditioning. I mean, in our daily life, we should drink water a lot. Okay. Next one is socket. Uncovered socket. Second, powering multiply. That means in a long time could cause overheat. Okay. The plug itself, overuse of electricity, that's why the explosion may happen. So the consequences is electric shock or fire. And the risk control tool is add cover on the socket to prevent any misfortune, any bad incidents that may happen. Okay, second, always remember to turn off the switch after you use it. And next, unplug airplanes when they're not being used. So after you used it, you have charged your phone, your laptop, and etc. You should switch it off and unplug it. Okay, the conclusion is, overall, we can conclude that we always need to be aware of our surroundings and take an effective and quick if there is any hazards or dangerous situations.